I'm making this video to show you what I'm expecting from you in my lessons. So we're starting our email and we can see there's a new assignment, which is a new lesson for you. And from there, we can open up that lesson. So I'm taking this video on my Android phone, but you can do this on any phone, tablet or computer to complete your lesson. So if we look at this assignment, there's a Google form attached to it. I'm going to make most of my lessons in Google Forms, so we can just click on that to start the lesson. So it's quite clear how we begin this lesson. We're going to be doing it in our books. So you need your maths exercise book, and you'll be writing the lesson intention into your book and the date. Then we can press next. And we have a starter just like we would in school. If you can't read it because it's too small, you can hold your finger down on there and open image in new tab. We can then switch to that tab, and clearly we can read the questions on that starter. Complete them in your book as normal. Once we finish, we can go to the next page. The next page has the answers for the starters. Again, we can open that in a new tab, and we can switch to that tab, and we can read those answers and we can mark them in our books. Hopefully, if you've got them wrong, you can see from my explanations as well how you get the correct answers. Going on to the next page. Now we have a video explaining this topic. So you can either watch the video.
Hello, Year 7, this is Mr. Gordon with
between it,
to find out
or you can open it in YouTube
letters instead of
in YouTube. You can just click on the title of the video at the top. That will open it up in YouTube.
Hello, Year 7, this is Mr. Gordon with a video.
Once you've watched the video, you may want to watch it more than once, and you may want to pause it as you go as well. We can then continue. Here we have some practice questions. Again, we could open them up in a new tab, or we can easily zoom in on them as well on Android. We're completing these questions in our book. Once we've finished all the questions we can do, we go to the next page, and we've got the answers. So again, we're marking in our books here. We're not doing it on the screen, we're marking in our book. We're then going to continue. And there's a small knowledge check at the end. So it's asking us, what is -4 take away 10? I'm going to say that the answer is 6. And go to the next page. So I also have a video here showing you how you can use the camera on your Chromebook to take photos. But what we're doing here is we're uploading photos of our work. This is so that we can see that you've actually completed the work and also spot any mistakes that you're making so that we can help you with them. So to take that photo, I'm going to click on Add Files. I can take more than one photo this way. And I'm going to choose the camera. And I'm going to take a photo of my work, trying to make it really clear, make sure everything's in focus. I've taken that photo, I'm checking it and pressing OK. And I can add more files here as well if I wish to. I'm just going to upload this one for now. Maybe you got stuck during it, so maybe you can let me know on here what you had a problem with. Maybe I can't do negative numbers. You can also give feedback there if there's anything particularly about the lesson which you found easy or hard. Once we're done, we can go backwards and forward if we wish to. So don't worry about pressing the back button there. Maybe you want to change your answer, and we can go forward again. That won't lose your answers. You can see that the file is still attached, and we're going to submit. And if I've made it so that it automatically marks the score, you can also click on View Score. And let's have a look down at the question which I completed on here. Oh, -4 take away 10. The correct answer wasn't 6, it was 14. And you'll notice I've given the explanation there of how you get to -14 to help you with that one in case you got it wrong. And that's it, we finished that lesson, so we can close that tab. And we can go back to the lesson. And we can see that it's already been handed in. So when we finish that form, it hands it in for us. There's nothing else we have to do. That's the end of the lesson.